Aper Scuba V3. Cleaning a swimming pool can be tiring and time-consuming, but the Aper Scuba V3 is built to make the job much easier. This advanced robotic pool cleaner uses AI-powered navigation, along with a front camera and smart sensors, to detect dirt and map out the most efficient cleaning path. Instead of moving around randomly, it focuses directly on areas with the most debris, allowing it to clean faster and with greater accuracy. Its intelligent system can also study the pool's size, usage habits, and previous cleaning sessions to improve and optimize future cleaning cycles automatically. The Aper Scuba V3 is designed to clean the pool floor, walls, and even the waterline using powerful suction and dual brush technology that picks up everything from large leaves to tiny particles. Its cordless design makes it more convenient to use, while the mobile app allows easy control and customization. Once the cleaning is complete, the robot automatically parks itself near the waterline, making it simple to retrieve from the pool. Comandi EDC Mechanical Card Holder. The Comandi EDC Mechanical Card Holder is more than just a regular wallet. Designed for modern everyday carry users, it combines smart functionality with a sleek and compact design. Made from durable grade 5 titanium, it offers impressive strength while still feeling lightweight and premium in your pocket. Despite its slim size, it can securely hold up to 7 cards without adding unnecessary bulk. One of its most useful features is the smooth pop-up mechanism that lets your cards slide out instantly with a single press, giving you quick and effortless access whenever you need them. No more digging through a thick wallet to find the right card. It also comes with a built-in multi-function tool card that includes practical tools like a bottle opener, screwdriver, pry bar, and SIM ejector pin, making it useful for everyday situations. Some versions even transform into a phone stand, adding extra convenience for work, travel, or entertainment on the go. By combining secure storage, practical tools, and clever engineering into one compact device, the Comandi EDC Mechanical Card Holder is a smart solution for anyone who wants a cleaner pocket setup with maximum functionality. Anker 737. The Anker 737 power bank is a powerful and reliable portable charger designed to keep your devices running all day. With a large 24,000 mAh capacity, it can charge an iPhone 16 Pro multiple times or fully support tablets like the iPad Pro, making it ideal for travel, work, or long days away from a power source. It features a smart digital display that shows real-time charging information, including power input, output, and estimated recharge time, so you always know what's happening. Supporting up to 140W fast charging with Power Delivery 3.1, it can quickly power laptops, smartphones, and other high-demand devices while also recharging itself efficiently. Its compact, airline-safe design makes it easy to carry in a backpack or hand luggage without any hassle. The package includes the power bank, a USB-C cable, a travel pouch, and a 24-month warranty for added peace of mind. Charge Disk Pro. Charge Disk Pro is an officially released all-in-one portable SSD and multifunction USB hub, designed for creators, professionals, and everyday tech users who need both powerful storage and seamless connectivity in one compact device. About the size of a credit card and lightweight enough to carry anywhere, it combines high-capacity internal SSD storage with a versatile expansion hub. It supports fast data transfer speeds through USB 3.2 Gen 2 and features multiple ports for connecting displays, peripherals, and power, all from a single unit. One of its standout features is the built-in active cooling system, which helps control heat during heavy file transfers and long work sessions, ensuring stable performance. The magnetic back design allows it to easily attach to compatible phones, tablets, or laptops, reducing desk clutter. By combining storage, display output, and hub functionality, Charge Disk Pro simplifies modern workflows into one smart and portable solution. Sarcos Guardian. The Sarcos Guardian XO is a powerful full-body exoskeleton suit designed to enhance human strength and endurance. Built for industrial and military use, this advanced robotic suit allows users to lift up to 200 pounds effortlessly, reducing strain and boosting productivity in physically demanding environments. Featuring 24 degrees of freedom, the Guardian XO provides exceptional mobility, balance, and precision, enabling natural movement even during heavy tasks. It's fully electric and operates cord-free, with hot-swappable battery packs that extend its runtime to about 2 hours, allowing continuous use with minimal downtime. Ease of operation is one of its biggest strengths. The suit can be put on or taken off in seconds, and users can learn to operate it in just minutes, making it practical for everyday use in professional settings. While it's not for personal purchase, companies can rent the Guardian XO for around $100,000 per year, roughly the cost of one full-time employee's annual salary. For businesses aiming to increase efficiency, reduce injury risks, and enhance worker capability, the Sarcos Guardian XO represents a bold step into the future of human-machine collaboration. Light 3 Extraordinary Locomotion. The Light 3 is a groundbreaking locomotion platform designed to completely redefine mobility. Built for extreme versatility, it can move across some of the toughest terrains, whether it's rocky landscapes, uneven ground, or complex urban environments, while maintaining unmatched stability and precision. Powered by advanced sensors and AI-driven controls, Light 3 constantly adapts in real time, adjusting its movements to climb, jump, and maneuver in ways that traditional robots simply cannot. Its agility and resilience make it perfect for search and rescue missions, industrial inspections, or navigating hazardous environments where human access is limited or too dangerous. More than just a robot, Light 3 represents a new benchmark in autonomous movement, combining intelligence, strength, and adaptability to push the boundaries of what modern machines are capable of achieving. Opener Egg Cracker Tool. This compact egg tool is designed to make your kitchen routine quicker and cleaner. It easily cracks both raw and boiled eggs in seconds, helping you avoid mess and save time during cooking or baking. The smart design gently loosens the shell, so peeling hard-boiled eggs becomes smooth and frustration-free without damaging the egg. Its small size makes it easy to store in any kitchen drawer or even carry while traveling, making it perfect for everyday use or meal prep. For boiled eggs, it creates a neat and even cut around the shell, keeping the egg white intact for a clean and professional look. It also features a built-in yolk separator, allowing you to separate egg whites and yolks effortlessly in one go. A simple yet practical tool, ideal for home cooks and a thoughtful gift option at an affordable price of $7.99. Shark Every Mess. Shark Every Mess is a powerful all-in-one portable cleaning system designed to handle everyday messes effortlessly. It combines wet vacuuming, dry vacuuming, and stain removal into a single device, making it perfect for busy households. With its advanced stain force technology, it sprays and lifts stains instantly, while strong suction picks up pet hair, dust, and debris with ease. The quick change attachments let you switch smoothly between different surfaces like carpets, sofas, tiles, and even car interiors. It also features a rinse and ready self-cleaning system along with a bagless design, making maintenance simple and hassle-free. Its compact and portable build makes it easy to store and grab whenever a mess happens. Shark Every Mess delivers convenience and efficiency in one solution, helping you clean spills, stains, and dirt quickly, making everyday cleaning faster and more effective. Cursor Ring. Coolest mouse ever. The Cursor Ring is a clever innovation that rethinks how we interact with computers by turning your own finger into the ultimate pointing device. Developed by Swiss experts, this smart ring replaces the need for a mouse or touchpad, allowing you to move the cursor, scroll, and perform familiar operations with simple finger gestures. It connects seamlessly via Bluetooth, requires no additional apps, and is designed to be moisture-resistant, durable enough to withstand everyday use, even while washing hands or doing dishes. With a 24-hour battery life, it's practical for both work and leisure, and its ambidextrous design makes it equally comfortable for right and left-handed users. The creators note that it works best on a solid monochrome surface to minimize tracking errors. Compact, versatile, and built for convenience, the cursor ring offers a sustainable and futuristic way to interact with technology while keeping control literally at your fingertips. Maverick AI Pro by Everysight. The Maverick AI Pro by Everysight is designed to bring smart glasses into everyday life without feeling bulky or experimental. Weighing just 47 grams, it feels more like regular eyewear than a typical AR headset, making it comfortable for extended use. The standout feature is its full-color Sony Micro OLED display, offering a 28-degree field of view that looks like a large virtual screen floating in front of your eyes, clearly visible even outdoors. It includes real-time AI powered by a forward-facing camera, along with eye-tracking controls, Bluetooth audio for calls and music, and helpful overlays like navigation and live translations directly in your vision. Battery life is impressive, providing over 8 hours of display usage, which is rare for lightweight AR glasses. It also supports prescription lenses for convenience. Early pricing starts around $299, making it a promising and practical wearable AI device. Hugging AI Robotics. Hugging AI Robotics is introducing the world to two groundbreaking open-source humanoid robots, Raichi Mini and Hope Jr. Raichi Mini is a compact, desktop-sized robot designed for learning and experimentation. It comes with expressive eyes, head movement, microphones, and a speaker, all for under $500, making it perfect for students, hobbyists, and developers. On the other hand, Hope Jr. is a full-size humanoid robot with 66 degrees of freedom, capable of walking, grasping objects, and interacting with real-world environments, all for just $3,000. Both robots are fully programmable and open source, giving anyone the chance to explore and develop advanced AI robotics. Hugging AI Robotics is making it possible for educators, innovators, and developers worldwide to bring human-AI collaboration into daily life, paving the way for a future where interacting with intelligent robots becomes completely natural. Diablo. Diablo is a two-wheeled robot and an open development platform designed for a wide range of applications, combining flexibility, stability, and high performance. Powered by a robust direct drive system, it moves effortlessly and maintains self-balance, even tilting up to 37 degrees. Built to handle rough terrain, Diablo absorbs up to 60% of impact forces, thanks to its direct drive lag impedance control. It can jump, deliver powerful bursts of energy, and achieve a peak joint torque of 70 Nm. Precision is key. Its high-accuracy joint encoders ensure movements are exact within 0.01 degrees. With smooth and composed motion, multiple control interfaces, and full support for secondary development, Diablo leverages direct drive technology to replace traditional reduction gears, reducing noise and improving sensitivity. This innovative design revitalizes conventional robotics, offering unmatched agility, precise control, and versatile performance for developers and researchers alike. Samsung Galaxy XR. The Samsung Galaxy XR is a next-generation mixed reality headset built to seamlessly blend the digital world with the real one, creating a highly immersive experience for users. Developed through a collaboration between Samsung, Google, and Qualcomm, the headset runs on the advanced Android XR platform and is heavily focused on AI-powered spatial computing. It features dual 4K Micro OLED displays that deliver incredibly sharp visuals along with a wide field of view, making gaming, watching movies, and multitasking feel more realistic and engaging. Powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 2 processor, the device offers smooth performance, accurate real-time tracking, and responsive gesture controls. One of its most impressive features is the integration of Google Gemini AI, which allows users to interact naturally using voice commands, eye tracking, and hand gestures to control apps or search for information instantly. The headset also supports multi-window spatial environments, letting users place and manage floating virtual screens in a 3D space around them. Combined with spatial audio, advanced sensors, and a comfortable ergonomic design, the Galaxy XR marks a major leap forward in AI-driven mixed reality technology.